Struggling to create a plan in Jira? Stop guessing. In 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set one up from scratch. No fluff, no confusing menus, just a clear path from where you are right now to a fully working plan that actually tracks your team's work. All right, here's the roadmap. We'll start by opening Jira, then click through the plan creation wizard step by step. I'll be walking you through this in a real account, so you can see exactly what I'm clicking. Let's go. So first thing, open up your Jira account. Just get logged in wherever you normally work. I've got mine pulled up right here. Once you're in, take a look at the left side panel. See that option that says Plans? Go ahead and click it. This is your gateway to everything scheduling and timeline related in Jira. It might take a second to load if you haven't been here before. Now, on the Plans page, you'll see a blue button that says Create Plan. Click that. This is where the magic starts. A pop-up window will appear. The first thing it asks for is a name. Don't overthink this. Enter something simple like Plan A or Sprint 23 or Q4 Launch, just something you'll recognize later. I'm typing in Plan A for this example. Next up, you need to choose the access level. This is essentially deciding who can see this plan. You've got two options. Private means only you and people you explicitly add can see it. Open means anyone in your Jira instance can view it. I usually go with open for team projects, but pick whatever fits your situation. All right, now we get to the important part. It's time to add work. Click the button that says Add Work. This is where you tell Jira what tasks or issues you actually want to include in this plan. And here's the really important part. You have 3 options for where to pull that work from. You can choose a space, a board, or a filter. For this tutorial, let's pick space. I've tested all 3, and space is the most straightforward way to start because it pulls in everything from a specific project area. So select space from the dropdown. Then a new field appears asking you to choose which specific space. This is just selecting the project you want to work with. I'll pick one from my list. Go ahead and choose yours. Now click the blue Create button. Great, the plan is technically created, but we're not done yet. Jira is going to walk you through a few more setup steps to make this thing useful. First, it asks if you want to add a team. This is optional, but highly recommended. Adding a team lets Jira assign people to tasks and show you who is doing what. Click Add Team, then start typing a team name or select existing members. I'm adding a quick test team here. Click Next. Now you get to select your default timeline view. This is how you want to see your plan most of the time. You have a few options, a Gantt-style view, a list view, or maybe a calendar. I usually go with the roadmap or timeline view because it gives you that nice horizontal bar chart everyone loves. Pick the one that makes the most sense for how you think about your work. Click Next again. Jira will then show you a review screen. It just summarizes your choices: name, access level, team, timeline view. Take a quick look to make sure everything looks right. Click Next one more time. And finally, click Finish. That's it. You now have a working plan in Jira. From total confusion to a structured timeline with teams, work sources, and progress tracking, all in just a few minutes. Go ahead, start dragging tasks around and get your team moving.